Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your secondary monitor is not displaying on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer after reforming an update. So several possible things can cause not displaying a second monitor, include loose monitor connector cables, insufficient power supply to the second monitor, out of date or incorrect Windows 11 drivers, using incorrect ports, damaged or broken ports, and incorrect monitor input source. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to force second display detections. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung system. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display. So click mo lang yan. And then next step, so scroll down and select mo lang dito yung multiple display. So click mo lang yan. And next step, dito sa multiple display at dito lang sa detect other display ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung detect para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to connect wireless external display. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung Bluetooth and device. So click mo lang yan. And then next step dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on dito yung Bluetooth. And then next step, so makikita mo dito yung devices at kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung add device. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa add device ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung wireless display or dock, wireless monitors, TVs or PCs that use Miracast or wireless docks. So kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung wireless display or dock to confirm the wireless display is on. So kailangan mo lang i-follow kapag nakakonect na siya. Alright, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update graphics driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo ulit dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And then dito sa right side, I scroll down and select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then dito sa advanced options and then select mo lang dito yung additional options. And then dito sa optional updates ay kailangan lang natin i-install or i-download kapag mayroon ditong or nakita kang bagong driver update. So i-click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-install or i-download dito kapag may nakita kang optional updates graphics driver dito. Alright, so after dito sa settings and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to roll back a graphics driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to select dito sa start menu and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa ating Intel graphics driver ay kailangan natin itong rollback driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, so select and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. And then next step ay dito sa taas kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung driver. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa driver ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung rollback driver. Okay? So if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. Okay? So kailangan na natin itong i-click para maayos yung problem. So after dito sa device manager and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix second monitor not displaying in Windows 10 or Windows 11 after update. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.